Dal Belly Kids. Daddy says the playroom is messy. Daddy says it's time to clean up. Messes can be dangerous. You can get hurt.
Let we go now.
Hey!
Priyaa, look at this messy room.
We are having fun, Daddy.
Did you leave all these toys here? Who is going to clean this up? Who left all of these blocks and toys on the floor?
Crumpty!
Careful, Tiko! There are toys everywhere.
We should clean up.
Watch where you step, Priyaa.
Oh.
That's the way to do it. Look, Priyaa! It's easy. Let's put the toys away. Let's pick up the blocks, Priyaa.
Look, I can do it.
Wow, look at him go!
Wow, look at this!
We cleaned it all.
You did a fantastic job! Let's do the happy dance!
Wow, this is so much fun. Wow, it is so clean.
Wow, look at this place!